The Art of Finding Free Camping Spots, a masterclass for frugal RV'ers. Welcome to the clandestine world of free camping, where the savviest of RV'ers find solace under the stars without the tug on their wallets. This isn't just about saving a few bucks, it's about embracing the true essence of freedom on the open road. It's about discovering those untouched spots where nature whispers, and the horizon is your front porch. For the frugal RV'er, this is not just camping, it's a lifestyle. Let's embark on a masterclass to uncover the art of securing these hidden gems, ensuring your adventures are as cost-effective as they are unforgettable. Unlock the secrets of BLM land and national forests. The United States is sprinkled with vast expanses of public lands, notably the Bureau of Land Management, BLM, territories and national forests, which are gold mines for free camping spots. The key to unlocking these treasures? Knowing where to look. BLM land, vast and varied, encompassing over 247 million acres, primarily in the western states, BLM land offers diverse landscapes perfect for boondocking. How to find them? Utilize BLM's official website or apps like Free Roam to pinpoint areas open for camping. Look for dispersed camping signs, indicating you're welcome to set up camp. National forests, nature's backyard. With over 193 million acres, national forests often allow free dispersed camping outside of developed campgrounds. Finding your spot, visit the U.S. Forest Service website or contact local ranger stations for maps and guidelines on where dispersed camping is permitted. Leverage technology, apps and websites. In the digital age, your next free camping spot could be just a few clicks away. Arm yourself with a suite of apps and websites designed to guide you to the perfect spot. Free Roam offers filters for camping preferences, including safety, cell service, and road difficulty. Campendium and iOverlander, user-generated content, provides real-life insights and reviews, making them invaluable tools for finding free campsites. Public Lands app integrates maps of public lands, including BLM and national forests, to help identify potential camping spots. The community connection, forums and social media. There's strength in numbers, and the RV community is a testament to that. Dive into forums like Reddit's Go RVing or join Facebook groups dedicated to RVing. Here, seasoned travelers share coordinates to their favorite spots, tips on accessibility, and even real-time updates on campsite availability. Master the etiquette of free camping. Finding a free spot is just the beginning. To ensure these lands remain open and accessible, it's crucial to practice responsible camping. Leave no trace. Keep your camping area pristine by packing out all trash and minimizing your environmental impact. Respect stay limits. Most free spots have stay limits, typically around 14 days. Adhere to these to avoid fines and preserve opportunities for others. Be fire wise. Follow local guidelines regarding campfires, and never leave a fire unattended. Safety and preparedness. The non-negotiables. Venturing into the less trodden paths requires a level of self-sufficiency and preparedness. Water and supplies. Many free camping areas lack amenities. Ensure your RV is stocked with enough water, food, and fuel. Emergency readiness. Have a plan in place for emergencies. This includes knowing the nearest hospital, having a reliable form of communication, and informing someone of your whereabouts. The dream outcomes. What's in it for you? Embracing the art of finding free camping spots offers more than just financial savings. It opens the door to experiences that money can't buy. Unparalleled freedom. Choose your view, from mountain vistas to lakeside retreats, without the constraints of reservations and fees. Deeper connection with nature. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of untouched landscapes, where the rhythms of nature dictate your days. Community and stories. Join a community of like-minded adventurers, sharing stories and tips that enrich your RV lifestyle. As you master the art of finding free camping spots, you're not just saving dollars, you're investing in a lifestyle that brings you closer to the heart of adventure, the serenity of nature, and the invaluable joy of discovery. So, pack up your RV, set your sights on the horizon, and prepare to uncover the hidden sanctuaries that await the frugal and the free-spirited. Welcome to the masterclass of frugal RVing.